Today I'm reviewing the Peter Thomas Roth Firmx Collagen Serum. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the Amazon link below. So, this is a newer product, although the Firmx line from Peter Thomas Roth has several products in it. The serum is newer, and they also came out with a moisturizer as well. And I picked this up from, I believe it was Nordstrom when they had their sale several weeks ago. So they had a 25% off sale. So normally this was like $100. I think I got it for $70-ish. So I thought I would check it out and give it a try. And I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts on it based on my Sarah score scale. And Peter Thomas Roth calls their Firmx Collagen Serum a serum with 7 forms of collagen and collagen supporting ingredients. Peter Thomas Roth's Firmx Collagen Serum helps skin appear firmer and smoother. And the appearance is the key thing. So let me talk about this in a second. Let me get to my first criteria, which is packaging. And I like the pump bottle. It's nice. It makes it look expensive because it's silver and shiny. And it protects the ingredients from air and light exposure. So I like the packaging. No issues with that. In terms of alcohol, this does not contain any denatured or drying types of alcohol. So that's always a very good thing, especially for those with dry or sensitive skin. And then in terms of fragrance, there is no fragrance ingredients, no essential oils, and it really doesn't have much of a noticeable scent to it at all. So that's always pretty good unless you like things that smell good, which some people do. Then in terms of the manufacturing location, this is made in the U.S., so no issues with that. Ease of use, so they recommend applying this twice daily. If you notice, it has a very, very silicone-y texture to it. So it applies pretty nicely, although it does have a tendency to kind of prevent anything from kind of soaking in afterwards. So I'd recommend applying it later on or towards the very end of your routine. So it is kind of a silicone-y product and feels kind of thick, although it's nicely hydrating and occlusive, which is good as well. And it certainly, if you saw my hand before, there's some fine lines. My hands are certainly rather dry, and it does help it appear firmer and smoother. Those with oilier skin might not totally appreciate that texture, especially in a morning skincare routine. For me, I found I liked using this more so towards the end of my evening routine, and not so much in my morning routine, just because of that silicone texture, which sometimes can pill a bit if you apply things that are thicker over it. So some sunscreens didn't play the best with it. But overall, for the most part, very easy to use, other than just figuring out some of the nuances with that. So evening routine just works so much better. And if you have a little bit of pilling, it's not a big deal. But in your daytime, if there's pilling, it doesn't get to be so pretty. So okay, in terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, so collagen, although using topical collagen won't really help your skin produce more collagen and really doesn't soak in and give you more collagen, it does help with skin hydration, skin plumpness, and skin smoothness, which this product claims to do. It helps skin appear firmer and smoother. It certainly does, although it really won't have your skin have more collagen. It just helps it appear firmer. So it's got that. The next several ingredients after that are all slip ingredients, such as water, dimethicone, butylene glycol, polysilicone, and glycerin. So those are just slip ingredients, bulk ingredients, cheap ingredients, but every product needs to contain those to kind of have the overall texture. They just don't have a ton of benefits for skin other than just giving it some hydration. This also contains caffeine in it, which can have some antioxidant benefits. Might also kind of help smooth, puffier skin. It can also be drying and potentially irritating for some people, especially those with very sensitive skin. So caffeine, like I always talk about the Ordinary's Caffeine Eye Serum, which some people say has worked miracles, and some people say it's given them very dry skin. Just depends on, if you don't have sensitive skin, you might not be as sensitive to caffeine, but if you have dry skin, sensitive skin, caffeine can be it's one of those things that can be good and can be bad. There's a lot of ingredients like that. It just depends on your skin type. Okay, so we've got caffeine. Then we've got, let's see, collagen amino acids, which are building blocks for the skin, which help your skin appear firmer and smoother. And amino acids also help maintain skin's hydration, texture, resilience. Then we've got hydrolyzed collagen, several peptides, sodium hyaluronate, urea, and then radish root. In my opinion, if they would have included some more beneficial ingredients, it just would have made this product better, a little bit more well-rounded. In my opinion, this product is a moisturizer. It's not an antioxidant serum. It's got collagen in there, but collagen is really just hydration. I really would have liked to see some more antioxidants, maybe some vitamin E. That's good for hydration. CoQ10, licorice root, pomegranate, probiotics, bok choy, green tea. I would like to see something more exciting in this. You cannot apply collagen topically and expect it to absorb into your skin and increase the amount of collagen in your skin. Collagen is great for hydrating skin, but applying collagen does not give you more collagen. That's it. That's it. So it's kind of a marketing ploy when you see collagen in things because you think, collagen, oh, I need collagen. Collagen makes my skin look young. And it does, but once you rinse it off, it's gone. It doesn't give you more collagen. Once you get older, you lose collagen every day, slowly. And there's not a lot of ways to make more collagen in your skin. So maybe microneedling or derma rolling or lasers and things like that can help, but applying collagen topically doesn't give you more collagen, but it does help your skin appear firmer. So if you don't have any problems with that, I don't know that you need to spend $100 on collagen, although it sounds more exciting than what it really is. Okay, in terms of animal testing, the Peter Thomas Roth brand is sold in mainland China. Therefore, they're not cruelty-free, unfortunately. A lot of countries and states are banning animal testing, so it'll be interesting to see how things flow in the future, but for now, they're not cruelty-free. So in terms of performance, as long as you're not expecting to get more collagen, this increases hydration in skin almost immediately. It gives skin a more plumped appearance, does help blur the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, so that's always nice. Although it does contain several acneogenic ingredients, such as Dimethicone, Butylene Glycol, Squalane, Polysorbate 20, Sorbitan Isostearate, and Hexylene Glycol. So if you have skin that is at all breakout prone, this is probably a product I would recommend you pass on, just because it does contain a lot of acneogenic ingredients, and it does have a tendency to slightly suffocate skin just a little bit. It's very occlusive, so something to consider. And you certainly don't want to have a $100 product and not like it. So that's a lot of money to spend and not like something. But anyway, I don't know. If you can see my hand, it does feel very nice. Although my skin, even, it does feel a little bit suffocating. Although for very dry skin, it is nice. At the end of the day, it kind of soothes. So the price, so this is the full size, which is 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. And it retails for $99. Although I suspect if you hold out a little bit, you're going to see this one on sale. Peter Thomas Roth products always come out expensive, and then later on you start seeing them on sale. Significant sales, not just 20% off. The Power C serum that I bought, I think that was $100. I bought that probably 3 years ago, but now I see it all the time for like $30 or $40. So certainly worth probably waiting and maybe picking up on sale. Then in terms of the it factor, it's a very hydrating formula. You know, they came out with the serum and a new moisturizer. The moisturizer comes in a jar. This comes in a pump. Personally, I'd recommend getting this one because the jar packaging just isn't as protecting for some of the ingredients. This one just is a little bit more expensive, but at least it's better packaged. And it won't dry out and go bad faster. Those with very dry skin might appreciate how hydrating it is. I like that it's fragrance-free and doesn't contain denatured alcohol, although a bit more robust formula with some more antioxidants or beneficial ingredients would have made this much more exciting and much more likely for me to recommend. Those with very oily skin might want to test it. I guess is there really a way to test things right now? I don't know. But it is very hydrating. So if you have oilier skin, it might not soak in. It might just feel a little bit silicone-y over everything else. So something to consider. So overall, I gave this a 5 out of 10 on the Sarah score scale, which is probably about an F or a D. Depends on the curve, the teacher. Some teachers, 50% might have been passing if it was a very hard class. Others, 50% is an F. So, yeah, not the most exciting product. I really wish I would have been able to see the ingredients before I picked it up, because to be honest, I probably wouldn't have bought it. So, I don't know. It's okay. I've tried better, but anyway, so I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to pick it up and what your thoughts are, or if you've tried the moisturizer, what your thoughts are on that, or if you have any favorite collagen type products, what those are, and what you like about them. So leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you guys so much.